Hey plant friends. I got a wish list plant in the mail, and so I thought I'd do an unboxing because I haven't done one of those this year. That's a slightly better angle. So plant in the corner, but this way you can see Mabel. She's a little bit needy right now because I went downstairs to the mailbox without her. So hopefully this is a Monstera sub or a Pinnatipartita. All right, I'm gonna try to open it as best I can. Yeah, okay, yeah, we get it. I don't want to open it on camera because I don't want to put anybody's address online. Okay. Yeah, we see you, Mabes. Yeah, what's in there? Smells good, huh? Okay. Okay. All right. Let me get this folded down so that way. All right. Just a bunch of packing materials. Let's see what we got. A little bit of dirt. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay. So this was taped in the box. There's a little bit of dirt flopping around, but you know what? That's A-okay. So this is a juvenile Monstera Pinnatipartita. It's not the top cutting. This is the base cutting or something like that. Kind of dusty. Is that mites or is that? Looks fine. It just looks dusty. I'll have to take a, yeah, it's just dust. So here we are. This is one of my wish list plants. Yes, me. Oh, girl. So here we are. Juvenile Monstera Pinnatipartita. This pot is pretty light, but I just need to water it. I'm super excited. Hopefully I will have more updates for you in the future. I traded this for one of my Monstera subpinnata cuttings, so there we go. If you're in the US, I still have one Monstera subpinnata left, so, or cutting left at least. So, yeah. Happy birthday to me. Right, Maple?